Now we are going to make dragonfly knot. Here are two samples of dragonfly knot. And as we can see, each dragonfly consists of a head, two pairs of wings, and a long body. Let's start with making the head first. Now you'll be given a long thread. Put the long thread on paper and find the center point of the thread. Put the center point in approximately the center of the paper. You will also be given a short thread. Now find the center point of the short thread. Okay, place the short thread beneath the long thread, and the center point of it should align with the center point of the long thread. Now fix the midpoint of the two threads with a tape and make two rings, one ring on each side. Pay attention. The right ring, the loose end should be beneath the ring, whereas for the left ring, the loose end is on top of the ring. Now place the right ring into the left ring and pull the right ring underneath from the left ring. Remove the tape at the center point. Bring the right end of the thread over, surround the thread, and pass through the ring at the bottom. Now fix the center point again with the tape. And this step we are going to pull the center ring down to the bottom and bring the bottom to shift slightly to the center. Arrange all the thread and you should form a shape like this with 3 rings. The center hole is labeled with a star, and ring 1 is at the bottom, ring 2 at the top, ring 3 at the left. Now bring the left end of the thread around the ring 1 and pass through ring 2 from beneath. And from top, pass through the hole labeled with the star. Pull the ends from the bottom. Adjust everything to form a shape like this. Okay. Now, this step, you are going to bring the right end of the thread through the star, through the hole labeled with the star. First, remove the tape at the midpoint first. Bring the threads over the top. Pass the threads through the hole in the center and pull the ends from bottom. The last step is to pull the the ends of the thread so that you can form a small knot in the end. It doesn't matter where you stop from pulling, but if you find one end is hard to pull, you could try to adjust the rings and the other end. And the final product should be a small knot. When you pull the strings, make sure that in the end, the loose ends are roughly of equal length. Now we have finished making the head. Next step is to make 2 pairs of wings. Arrange the threads on the paper such that 2 threads at the right and 2 on the left. Okay. Now make a ring using the 2 threads on the right. The size of the ring should be approximately the size of a quarter.